面白い。
はい。
Okay, in this video, I'm going to give a demonstration on both the store-bought circuit tester and our cigar tube circuit tester. The testing is going to be between the two to see how low in voltage we can go to keep the LED on and see around about what voltage it is that the LED will not stay on anymore. So I've tested this particular circuit tester before, and I believe I was able to get down to as low as 2 volts on the voltage supply that the LED would stay on, and any lower than that the LED would not come on. So this particular circuit tester, it says it's rated between 6 and 24 volts, I believe, and I've also rated the cigar tube circuit tester to be around the same, between 6 and 24 volts for operational volts to use the circuit tester. So testing this store-bought circuit first, just to give a baseline, I have it at 12. I have the power supply at 12 volts, and I'm going to hook the positive lead of the power supply to the probe, the pointy probe end of the circuit tester, and I already have the alligator clip attached to the negative lead of the power supply here. So if I turn the power supply on, the LED is on, and that would be an obvious outcome for this circuit tester, for the LED to come on, since it's detecting 12 volts across it. Now, if I change to 6 volts on the power supply, the LED is still on. You may or may not be able to notice that the LED is a little bit dimmer. I can also turn down the voltage. That's 5 volts and 4 volts. Let me change it here. And 3 volts. And I've even been able to go down to as far as 2 volts, and that LED is still on, as you can see. But if I go any lower than that, if I go down to, let's say, 1 volt, then that LED no longer lights up for me. So I've been able to test it as low as 2 volts. I might be able to go lower than that, but it really doesn't make any sense to use it for anything under 2 volts. So now let's go ahead and disconnect our store-bought circuit tester here, and then I'll go ahead and get it out of the way. And now we're going to test the cigar tube circuit tester. I'll hook its alligator end clip to the negative lead of the power supply, and I'll set it down here, and then I'll take the positive lead of the power supply and connect it to the probe of the cigar tube. And I have it at 2 volts right now, and you can see that the LED is not on. Neither one of them are on. And if I turn it up to 3 volts, that white LED comes on. The white LED is on because I currently have the alligator clip on the negative probe of the power supply, and the white LED tells me that that is a negative ground. And again, if I were to switch these leads around, the red LED would come on, and that would tell us that that's a positive ground. But anyways, I'm only able to go as low as 3 volts on the Cigar Tube Circuit Tester, unlike 2 volts for the store-bought circuit tester, but that's not a make or break deal. This circuit tester can do the same amount of testing, or the same testing that the store-bought circuit tester can. It's just the low voltage reading. The lowest voltage reading I've tested on this as of at this point is 3 volts. But you can see if I put it on 12 volts, the LED comes on, and even at 24 volts, we got a nice bright white LED.